want to introduce you to a neat tool that you can use with the various assessments that you do with clients for a career assessment. And if we take our CAPS example from the discussion board and use it, we can go to a site like ONET, and ONET is really a great tool to use if you're in any form of human resource management or leadership, or you're just helping a client, guiding them into the right career path. And you simply just type in ONET online, or just ONET into your Google search, and you'll come to it right away. You can do an advanced search, and since we already have data on our hypothetical client here, we're going to look at the abilities based on the CAP test, the CAP profile. And the three high scores here are, this client had highest scores in verbal reasoning, perceptual speed and accuracy, and manual speed and dexterity. These are, for the most part, all cognitive measures. Let's go under cognitive abilities and take a look, and you could go into a number of different areas, but let's look at perceptual speed, because of the 9 that the individual got on the perceptual speed and accuracy, and see what kind of career options might be good for somebody that has this score in perceptual ability. Also, you can just ask your client some things based on going into these areas. So, what professions, what career directions might require this level of perceptual speed and accuracy? And of course, we know this person, based on the career profile, has elevations in consumer economics, business, and so, you know, this individual may be interested in going into an area where they can use their business skills, communication skills, and the ability to process numbers, because their numerical ability score is also high. So, you know, depending on their interest, which is why we'd want to do other measures, you know, let's say their personality is wired to where they would be interested in air traffic control. So air traffic control requires a high level of perceptual speed and accuracy. And you could show them, well, if you wanted to be an air traffic controller, these are the kinds of tasks that you would do and the things that you would work with. And so you could show them online the various roles and tasks that they would be required to do, that they would be possibly prepared to do based on their CAP score. And then it shows the knowledge. So then this that's required for the job. So this might give you even a further idea of how you could take the assessment in a new direction to determine their knowledge base, knowing maybe what kind of training would be required to help them, and also the skills. So then you could take it to the next level and ask them, you know, things like about listening and their ability to do critical thinking and make judgments. And so that would lead you to deciding what other kinds of maybe cognitive or sensory type of assessments you would want to do. And then you could talk to them about the work activities and the context in which they would work, and even what part of the country they might want to work in. So this is just a wonderful, ONET is a wonderful resource. It is comprised of data from all over the U.S. It's a huge database, and you can literally find anything on it, from occupations to finding out more about knowledge, skills, and abilities. It's just a really cool resource, and I hope you'll check it out.